Every time one of your customers asks you, what's the Wi-Fi password, you're losing time. Your staff gets distracted, and worse, you may be exposing your network to freeloaders and hackers. But there's a smarter way to allow your customers access to your guest Wi-Fi, and that's through Wi-Fi QR codes. One scan, and your guests are connected instantly. No typing, no asking what the password, they're just on your guest Wi-Fi. Let's face it, if you run a business that your customers are going to stay a while, like a salon, a gym, a coffee shop, or even a waiting area, somebody's going to ask for your Wi-Fi password. You can say the password out a dozen times a day, or you can tape it to your counter, or you can make it so simple that anybody walking by can guess and get on your network. And all these options are not ideal. Here are what smart businesses are doing. They're setting strong Wi-Fi passwords that's more secure, and they're using Wi-Fi QR codes to connect their customers to this more strong, secure Wi-Fi network. So your guests just point their camera and boom, they're connected. No typing, no mistakes, and no interruptions from your customers. You get security, they get convenience. Look, this isn't just about being techie. It's about saving time, protecting your business, and creating a better customer experience. See, let me break this down to you. Stronger security, you can use long, complex passwords to keep freeloaders out. Saves time, no more repeating the password 20 times a day. Happier customers, they get online in seconds. No more awkward password issues that you have to resolve. It looks professional. QR signs make your business look sharp and modern. And the most important things, fewer interruptions. Your team can really focus on what actually matters. Ready to set up one? Well, here's how to set up a Wi-Fi QR code in less than 2 minutes. Go to your favorite QR code generator. I have a couple listed in the descriptions that I like to use. Choose Wi-Fi as the QR type. Enter your Wi-Fi network name and your password. Select your encryption type. Generate the code and download it. And then put it on signs, table tips, and you can even frame it up on your wall. And here's a bonus tip. Set up a separate guest network on your router. That keeps your customer traffic completely away from your business devices. You stay protected by giving your customer what they want. Free and easy Wi-Fi. This is totally one of the easiest upgrades that you can make to your business, and it's free. So stop sharing your Wi-Fi password the old way. Use a Wi-Fi QR code instead, and give your customers a smoother experience while protecting your network. And if you like this tip, hit that like button and subscribe. I got more simple tips coming just for small business owners just like you.